The Polish Army trained and combat tested the K2 Black Panther main battle tank, MBT, and its new K9A1 Thunder self-propelled howitzer, SPH. Currently they have received 15 units of K2 MBT and 48 units of K9A1 SPH, which were purchased directly from South Korea's Ginseng country. The delivery of these combat vehicles comes just 3 months after a $5.8 billion arms deal between the two countries on August 26, 2022. Originally, the K2 tanks and K9A1 howitzers were intended for the Republic of Korea Army, but were diverted to Poland. Poland has purchased a total of 980 tanks. In the first phase, 180 K2 tanks were imported from South Korea, and in the second phase 800 tanks in the K2PL configuration will be produced in Poland. The presence of the K2PL will gradually replace the T-72 and PT-91 tanks owned by the Polish Army. K2 Black Panther is produced by the Hyundai Rotem Company. Main armament is a German-manufactured Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore gun produced under license in South Korea. Meanwhile, the K9A1 Thunder SPH is produced by Hanwha Defense. A total of 24 units are directly produced in South Korea, and the remaining 96 will be produced in Poland under license as part of the Oz Crab program.